A bombshell investigation by Stanford University's student newspaper, the Stanford Review, accuses the chair of Stanford's Earth Sciences Department, Professor Wendy L. Mao, of long-term collaboration with a Chinese research center directly linked to the CCP's nuclear weapons program using U.S.-funded labs and equipment. The report published Monday reveals Professor Mao has co-authored at least 50 papers over the past 2 decades with the Center for High Pressure Science and Technology Advanced Research, HPSTAR, in Shanghai. HPSTAR was added to the U.S. Commerce Department's entity list in 2020 for posing a significant risk to national security. It is operated by the China Academy of Engineering Physics, China's primary nuclear weapons research body, sanctioned by the U.S. since 1997. HPSTAR was founded in 2015 by Mao's father, Ho Kwang Mao, a former U.S. National Academy of Sciences member recruited back to China under the CCP's Thousand Talents Plan after leading a nuclear stockpile research consortium in the U.S. funded by the National Nuclear Security Administration. From 2016 to 2019, Wendy Mao served as a visiting scholar at HPSTAR's Shanghai lab and was issued an official HPSTAR email address, yet never disclosed this role in her Stanford faculty profile, despite DOE rules requiring such disclosure for personnel with access to Stanford Linear Accelerator Center and Argonne National Laboratories. The investigation documents Mao trained at least 5 HPSTAR personnel at Stanford and the Stanford Linear Accelerator Center. Some worked at HPSTAR for years before joining her lab. Others returned to HPSTAR after training. Their joint research received funding from the Department of Energy, Department NIH, NASA, and Defense Department labs. Security analyst L.J. Eads tells the Stanford Review that Mao's position effectively gave HPSTAR scientists access to export-controlled U.S. equipment and training, calling it a shocking lapse. As recently as September 2025, Mao co-authored a paper describing HPSTAR researchers using cutting-edge U.S. government lab instruments. The report also notes Mao's collaborations extend to 2 of China's 7 sons of national defense military universities and a designated PLA key laboratory. Eads warns this is not isolated. Stanford publications include at least 1,300 papers co-authored with entities tied to the CCP's military-civil fusion network. Stanford University has not yet responded to the allegations.